Welcome to 30th birthday.
Tatanungin kita, sasagutin kita.
But look here, it would break my heart, break my heart, break my heart if I
Na
found out
magaling
you can't
sumayaw ng hawak mo ang beat.
move. You better, but what good is beauty if your booty can't find a beat? I don't wanna know, girl, so please don't do that to me, 'cause it would break.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our birthday celebrant, Antonio Sanchez Nitario III.
You better show me now, show me now, show me now. 'Cause when I take it to the floor, ooh, you gotta get down. You know what to do.
Happy birthday, 30!
May you grew up in the love of the Lord.
Tita loves you so much!
More birthdays to
Right now, I just
Hi, lagyan mo ng buhay. Hi, buhay.
I just might like my baby. Hey.
Nagpapasalamat tayo sa 7 years ni Terdy at higit sa lahat ang kanyang ang gabay, mismong magulang niya ay nandyan lagi sa tabi niya. And we thank the Lord for the gift of life at ang gantimpala na binigay niya.
Well, I turn you all the way around, round, round, round. Put some spirit in it, put your heart into it. That's all I need. And if I like what I see,
Hindi man ako ang napiling mahalin, pero ako na may napiling tanggalin.
pretty little lady. 'Cause if she dances good as she look right now, I just might.
Dahil dito, di ka pa rin swerte kasi tanggal ka.
Pansit Canton! Chanelas!
Oh, I just might.
Ko lang sa'yo, habang lumalaki ka, ay patuloy kang maging malapit sa Lord. Pag-igihan mo ang iyong pag-aaral hanggang sa marating mo ang iyong minimiti. Maraming salamat sa buhay ng apo kong ito. Napakabait. Thank you, Lord.
Yeah, life with you is so much better when you dive in. Your love is perfect timing. I never knew how good it could be. Why'd I ever
Ito ang nailalagay ni Mister kapag mainit ang ulo ni Mrs.
let my soul shine?
Pag mainit ang ulo, ilalagay mo yung bata sa ulo.
I can finally let my worries go. I finally a better me, a better me, yeah, a better me, a better me. Oh, it feels so good to finally be.
Kahit thunders ka na, ikaw pa rin ang forever baby ko. Love na love ka ng ima.
I love how you hold.
Ito yung pinaka masasabi mong napakatapat na ating Panginoon. Siya ay mabuti, lalo na pag inaalala ko ang buhay mo. Yung Jeremiah 29:11 ay patuloy mong makakamtan hanggang sa iyong paglaki. God bless you more and more. Happy birthday, 30.
I'm living in a new life. I can finally let my worries go. I finally a better me, a better me, yeah, a better me, a better me.
Happy birthday, 30. Hindi ko na hinihiling na maging mabait ka kasi nasa dugo ko na yun. Stay good health ka na lang at payaman ka na lang. Maraming parcel mama mo.
Light, keep going till you see the light.
Magugulat ka na lang.
Keep going till you see
Oh!
the light. Keep
2 kilong bigas!
keep going till you see the light. Keep going till you see the light.
Alam mo, may bagong main quest si Lord para sa iyo. Nakasulat ito sa Ephesians 6:2. Igalang mo lang si Mama at saka si Papa. Basta love na love ka ng Mama at ng Papa. Yun. Gagawin namin lahat. Basta makakaya namin.
Yeah.